Hi, this is Skeeter, and welcome to Parallels Access. In this tutorial video, we will discuss how to use Parallels Access, how to use the app launcher in switching between running applications, how to use Select All, Cut, Copy, and Paste, how to use SmartTap and the Lock and Go magnifying glass to select objects, commands, or controls, how to change view modes within Parallels Access, how to change settings using the cogwheel, and finally, how to add your favorite remote computer apps to your Android home screen. You can jump directly to any of these sections by clicking on the box or topic name above, or just sit back and watch the entire video. Parallels Access provides a very simplistic method for launching your remote computer applications with App Launcher. App Launcher provides one or more screens that you can customize to list your applications that can be launched with a simple tap on the application's icon, just like any Android app. To launch an application, just tap on the icon and the program will immediately launch and show on your tablet. To return to App Launcher, simply click on the rocket icon located on the toolbar on the right-hand side of the screen. If you don't see an application you are looking for, you can also search for your applications. Simply tap on the magnifying glass in the toolbar and then type the name of the program that you're looking for. Notice that as I start typing, applications automatically are listed that match what I've typed. Once I find the application I want, I simply tap on it to launch it. We can customize App Launcher by either adding or removing our favorite applications. To add a new application to the Parallels Access App Launcher, tap on the Android secondary menu icon and then tap on the Edit Applications list. We will now be presented with a listing of all of the applications on the remote computer. You can now either scroll through the list or search for a particular application. Once found, tap on the application icon or name and you'll notice a red check appears in the checkbox. You can either continue to add applications or select Done to complete the process. Once we tap the OK button, we are returned to App Launcher and notice that the new applications we selected are listed. To delete an app from App Launcher, tap on the secondary menu icon and then tap on the Edit Applications list. Now just tap on the red checkbox of the app that you wish to remove. When you're done removing the applications, tap on the OK button to exit this mode. We can also access all of our running applications on the remote computer by tapping on the Task Switcher icon. This will bring up a window of all the applications running on the remote computer so that we can quickly switch to another application. To jump into another application, tap on the application and Parallels Access will immediately switch to that application. To return to App Launcher, just tap on the rocket icon in the toolbar. Here you can see I am in Microsoft Word running on a remote computer, and there are several methods that I can use to select both text and graphics. To select a single word in this paragraph, I move my finger over the word and double tap. To select an entire paragraph, I can move to a different paragraph and triple tap my finger on any word in that paragraph. For more control, I can also hold down my finger, get the magnifying glass, and while holding my finger down, drag across the screen until I have the desired text selected. Notice that in both cases the selection pins appear on either side of my selected text, so that I can easily change the selection by dragging them to the left or right to change the selected content. Once text is selected, notice that I get a control bar at the top of the screen that allows me to select all, cut, copy, or paste. To paste our copied text, we can now double tap further down the page and notice that our control bar reappears. Tapping Paste places the copied text on the page. Parallels Access includes a feature called SmartTap that will automatically sense where your finger is tapping and assist you in selecting the right command on the first attempt. Lock and Go allows you to tap and select hard-to-select items by using a magnifying glass and locking in on a particular control or object. In our Microsoft Word document, notice the image on our page, and let's resize this image to make it larger. To select an object, we tap on this picture, then go over to the control elements on the image, and now we tap and hold while the red zoom ring completes over the control. Keeping our finger pressed down on the screen, we can now resize this picture. Now let's change some color of the text in this paragraph. By tapping our finger over the color and holding our finger down until the red magnification ring completes, we now have precise click within Parallels Access. As I move my finger over the color control, notice how the selected text in this document changes to the selected color. Parallels Access offers two different modes of operation. In normal mode, when running your applications, the Windows taskbar will be hidden. And when connecting to a remote Mac, the dock will be hidden. Notice how each running application takes up the entire screen on your tablet as we switch from MS Word to Calculator and then to Paint. To change to desktop mode, we tap on the cogwheel and then tap Desktop Mode. Notice how doing this immediately displays the Windows Start menu or taskbar or dock on a Mac. If we switch to different applications, notice that each application window now stacks up on top of each other. This mode of view is called Desktop View. Located on the lower right side of the screen is the Parallels Access toolbar. This toolbar will appear on every application screen and provides important controls for working with your remote PC or Mac. If we tap on the toolbar, we can move this toolbar up and down the right-hand side of the screen if we find it's in the way. The squares on the toolbar brings up the multitasking window. Tapping on this will show all running applications. The rocket will bring us back to the Parallels Access app launcher. Simply tap on the rocket to be launched back to your favorite apps. If we tap on the application we just left, we are immediately returned to this application in the state that we left it. The cogwheel allows us to configure several additional features within Parallels Access. Additional keys will place a common function, command, and arrow keyboard on the bottom of the screen for easy access. When connected to a remote PC, the Windows Start button will be present. When running on a Mac, we will see the Command button. The mouse pointer provides an on-screen mouse with mouse buttons for precise control over remote applications. To use the on-screen mouse, simply tap anywhere on the screen and drag the mouse anywhere needed. To click on the mouse, either tap on the left or right mouse button to perform a function. In desktop mode, Parallels Access will switch to a mode of operation called Desktop Mode. In this mode of operation, the Windows Start menu and taskbar appear, and now application and Windows can overlap each other like a desktop PC. Desktop resolution allows us to see more of the document on the screen of your Android device. This would enable you to see several pages of a PDF at the same time, for example, or see all of a really big spreadsheet. Also, we heard from several early Parallels Access users that some applications required a minimum screen resolution to even launch. Selecting higher picture quality will provide a sharper image quality but should be only used on faster networks. The feedback envelope allows you to provide comments and suggestions to Parallels about the product, request support from Parallels, and report a problem you are experiencing. Finally, tapping on the help will display a series of command and gesture tips to help you get the most out of Parallels Access. Back on the command toolbar is the keyboard. Tapping on the keyboard will display an on-screen keyboard with additional keys that contain all of the PC and Mac functions and keys. Unique to the Android version of Parallels Access is the ability to add application shortcuts to your home screens. To do this, we must be on the Parallels Access app launcher screen and select the application we want to add to the home screen. Select the application we want to add by tapping and holding our finger on the app, and while doing this, the app icon will flash red, and a red line will appear at the top of the screen. Keeping your finger pressed down on the app, drag the app icon over Create a Shortcut. To see your new shortcut, hit the Home button on your tablet, and the app should be listed on your home screen just like any other Android app. To launch directly into this application, just tap on the app and we will be brought back right into that application. To disconnect the Android tablet from the remote computer, we tap on the rocket icon to return to the Parallels Access app launcher. Located in the upper left corner of the screen is the name of the computer that we are remotely connected to. Tapping on this will close the connection to the remote computer and return you to the computer selection screen. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you need help, please visit the support page at www.parallels.com/support/home and select Parallels Access from the product list.